Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Can you all see me? Please, you can use the comments. Comment if you can see me and if you can hear me. Yes, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Good evening, Kayode. You are welcome. Umaru, Umagaba. You're welcome. Yes, you are welcome. Let's keep on joining, please. You're all welcome. Yes, you're welcome. I can see your comments. Please let me know if you can hear me and if you can see me. You guys are welcome. Yes, you're all welcome, guys. Keep on joining, please. Yeah, you are welcome, Edafe, David, Kayode. Okay, we have about 11 persons here. Let's just wait for more people to join. Yes, good evening to you. Good evening, Mr. Godwin. I'm just trying to make sure everything is properly set up. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. Okay. Um, we are just going to wait for more people to join us. So we have about 16 persons here. Yeah, you're welcome. Mojisola, please go global. Yes, okay. Charles, Fumilola, you're all welcome, guys. You're all welcome. Let's wait for more people to join. If we can get at least 20 to 30 people here, then I will start the training, okay? You guys are welcome. Okay, okay, okay. I can see all your comments. I can see all your comments. You are all welcome. So as you're joining, please just get a pen, get a book, so that you can jot down some of the things I'm going to be saying. Okay. So just get a pen, get a book, and then do away with any form of distraction. You don't want anything to distract you from what I'm going to be telling you here today. So you need to be fully ready to learn. Get every form of distraction away from you, please. Get a book. Um, you're welcome. Hope you can see me. Hope you can hear me. As you're just joining, let me know if you can see and hear me. Or should I shout? If my voice is okay like this, I don't know how to shout very well. I have a very tiny voice. Hope my voice is okay like this. Or should I increase the volume? Okay, so we have about 18 people here. So in the next 10 minutes, we are going to start. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So thank you all for joining. Thank you all for making out time to attend this webinar this evening. I know it's not easy. We are all busy people, but taking out time to come and join me and hear what this young lady has to say, I really appreciate that. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, glad that you can all hear me. Okay, so we have 19 people here. Hey, you people should join, no, so that we can finish on time. We have 19 people here. I don't want to start now and then some people will be joining us back. Yes, good to see you too, Joshua Simon. You are all welcome. Okay, I think we are just going to um, start with the number of persons here. Okay, you are audible enough. Okay, finally. Yes, so finally, finally. Okay, Simeon. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Don't want to take too much of our time. I want more people to join so that we can start. We are waiting for more people to join. Please, you can also use the link to invite anybody you know that is going to benefit from this training. You can get the link from the group and invite them to join us. Okay, so we have 20 people here and we have already spent almost 9 minutes waiting for people to join. So I'm just going to start now. So, what I'm just going to tell you today is just about how you can start investing your money in the stock market. Okay, a sure way to grow your money, to preserve your money in the stock market, and not just only in buying stocks. There are other credible, wonderful, yummy investments aside the stock market. So that is just what we are going to be talking about today. But before I'm going to start, I'm just going to give you a little story about how I started investing in stocks. Okay. I started investing in stocks about 4 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago. Yeah, I heard about it somewhere on social media. Can't remember exactly where I heard about it. So I saw a post. Someone was talking about how you can buy stocks in companies like Facebook, like the Facebook that we use, Metal. Okay, the owner of Facebook company is the that is the umbrella name for the Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's called Metal. Okay, so they were like, you can invest your money here and watch your money grow as these businesses grow, and these are credible businesses. Okay, these are physical businesses. They are businesses that will use their services. Okay, like Facebook now, we use Facebook. Everybody uses Facebook. We use Instagram. We use WhatsApp. Also, a business like Google. Google is a company. Okay, they have other services that they provide apart from the Google platform that we all know. Okay, the company that owns Google is called Alphabet. When you look for Alphabet on the Bamboo app, you'll find it there. Most of all of these companies, they are all situated in the US. Okay, I'm talking about companies in the US now. Later, we'll come down to companies in Nigeria. So I went through this post and I was wow because this is something that I've never heard about before. It sounded strange to me. Initially, I used to think that before you can invest in a business, like now all these our investment we used to know then, bring 5,000 naira and collect 10,000 naira. Those are Ponzi's. Okay, those were the type of investment I knew as a young lady then, and I really lost a lot of money investing in those kind of crazy Ponzi opportunities. Also, I was thinking that putting your money in companies like Amazon, Netflix, I didn't even know it was possible. First of all, I did not know that it was even possible to put my money, that is, invest my money in these businesses. And then I was thinking you needed a large sum of money to be able to invest in these businesses, but that is not true. All those assumptions were from ignorance. I didn't know. You can start investing in companies like Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, and the rest with as little as 5,000 naira. You don't need all the money in the world, and you don't need to provide so many documents to be able to sign up on these platforms. These are platforms you can get on your phone. You go to the app store, you download them, you fill in your details, and you can start buying stock of any company. That is, you become an investor just by using your phone to put in money into all these companies. Because of technology, it has made everything to become so easy and seamless. You are now connected with all over the world. The world is now like is a global village now because of technology. So I went through that post and I was wowed because it just went against everything I knew about investing. So I downloaded the app. I put in about $5 there. Yes, because that was around when a dollar was about 350 or so. So I put in about $5 or $10, I think. Yes, it was $10 into the platform, and I just forgot about it. I just wanted to try it when I did that. So I forgot about the money and I never opened the app again. So on a particular day, I needed to free up space on my phone. I needed space on my phone. So I was looking for things I could delete. I came across the app and I was like, yes, this app, I'm going to delete this app because since the day I downloaded it, I've not really used it. So I was going to delete the app. But I remember that I put in some money inside. So I was like, let me even go and withdraw my money and then delete this app. So opening the app, I was not seeing about 15 to $16 there. And I was like, how come? I remember putting $10. How come my money is not 16,000? $16. So is this how this thing work? I even went to check the transaction history. Yes, I saw my first deposit, my first and my only deposit into the app, and I was like, wow, the money actually increased. The money increased to $16 just overnight like that. I didn't do anything. I only bought the stock of a particular company, which is Amazon. I bought Amazon stock, just that one stock with that $10. And I came back to the app and saw that $10 had become $16. The stock grew and my money also grew. So that was how I got sold into the world of stock. So I was like, if it is like this with this small amount of money, how about if I put in a bigger amount? And since then, consistently, I have been investing and I've been getting great return on my investment. So this information is not really out there. How you can invest in these businesses. Even our Nigerian companies are also doing well. Companies like Dangote, MTN, you use MTN, you can invest in MTN. You use Airtel SIM, you can invest in Airtel. You use Nestle products, you know them now. You can invest in these businesses. Even Total Energies, I'm sure a lot of us know the filling station. We buy fuel from there. You know you can invest your money there. Now, investing in these businesses doesn't mean that when I say you should invest in all of these companies, you can see here the kind of companies I'm calling. These are big established companies that have been existing for a very, very long time. They are businesses that are run by professionals, okay? They are a board of directors, they are leaders and everything. Everything is working together in all of these companies. I'm not talking about going to put your money in a business that's maybe a relative's business or something. That's not the kind of investment I'm talking about, please. So you have to do your research, look for businesses that you use their services, that you use their products, and invest in them and watch your money grow over time. So this is better than just leaving money in the bank. Okay, and when you leave your money in the bank, inflation is going to deal with it. The banks are going to be removing their own charges. You don't get any interest on your money. Your money will just remain the same. It won't grow. Okay? So that's why we are trying to spread that word that you can invest your money in credible businesses and yeah, thank you. You can invest your money in these credible businesses and get great returns. So we are going to go into more deeper explanations. So I'm just going to share my slide with you so that I can explain fully what stocks are. So I'm going to be sharing my slide with you right now. Um, yes, welcome to the free training. Please let me know if you can see my slide. Yay! Johnson from Cameroon, you're welcome. Please indicate in the comments if you can see my slide, okay? You're welcome. Those who are just joining us, you're all welcome. We've not really gone far, okay? We've not really gone far. You're welcome. Please, can you see my slide? Can you see my slide on the screen? Please let me know if you can see the slide. Okay. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be talking about is what are stocks. So stocks are simply a piece of a company, that is your share of ownership in a company. The moment you put your money into any company, into any business, you are now part owner. You are now a shareholder. You own equity in that business. Okay? I have shares in Amazon. I have shares in what's it called? In Netflix. I have shares in so many other international companies. Me right here, being in Nigeria, I have shares in all of these companies. And as these companies grow, my money also grows. I can see my money growing in real time. Okay, that is what it means to be a shareholder. Later on in the group, I'm going to send you some messages that I do receive whenever any company wants me to vote, because I am a shareholder. So it means I am part owner of these companies, and that is what is me what that is the same benefit you're going to get when you put your money into any of these companies. Okay, so 5 things that you must do before you will start investing. So before you start investing, don't just go and start download the app and start buying stuff. Before you start investing, here are just few things that you must do. You need to first of all set out very, very clear objectives. Okay, what you want to achieve as you invest, you need to set that out plainly. Also, another thing you need to do is to have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is the money you set aside, you don't touch, that you can fall on in the event that you are no longer earning money. That emergency fund can take care of you. Okay, you just don't go and pack all the money you have and put and start buying stock or start investing. Okay, it is important that you set aside money that you are going to be needing to take care of all your other needs. Okay, so that is where budgeting comes in. You should have a budget. You should have a specific amount you are going to be putting into investments. Okay, let's say you are a salary earner, your salary comes in, and you have already decided, yes, this is the amount I'm going to be investing every month. If it's 10,000 naira, you make sure you bring out that 10,000 naira and put it in any investment that you want to put it into. Okay, so you just don't use the whole money that you have for investment. Please understand. Get that. Okay, some people will tell me, I have 50,000 naira in my account right now, I want to invest it. Please don't go and invest the whole money you have. Make sure you have money for other things, because it doesn't make sense that after you have invested your money, you will now become broke, you become hungry, or you become homeless. You don't have money to take care of your needs anymore. Okay, you should have money that you can use to sort out yourself. Investing money is separate, money for needs are separate, money for house rent, money for school fee, money for every other thing should be separate. As you invest, you just don't put the whole money at once and say you are investing. Okay, I hope you understand. And then when you want to invest, especially when you're investing in stock, you should have a long-term perspective. Don't just invest now, invest today and be expecting returns tomorrow. The stock market does not work that way. Stocks does not work that way. Please listen to me. Oh, it's not that later now you come and start telling me that you invested today and your money is not growing. Please, stocks does not work that way. Stock investment is for long term. Okay, that is when you really benefit from it. When you put the money in for a period of time. All this investment that they will say, put in 5,000 naira and get 10,000 naira tomorrow, or put in 100,000 and get 200,000 naira tomorrow. Most of them are all Ponzi. They are Ponzi schemes. They are robbing Peter to pay Paul. As you are putting your money, they are collecting money from another person and giving it to you. It's not magic. Okay, where do you think they are getting the money from? Okay, but when you're investing in credible companies, in businesses like this, it takes time. They grow steadily, and it takes quite some time for them to grow, for the stock to appreciate. Okay, I hope you understand that. And the next thing is discipline. You need to be disciplined. You must be disciplined. You don't go and start dipping your hands into your investment funds. As you invest, you leave it, allow it to accumulate, allow it to really grow, so that it can give you very good returns. I'm not talking, not this is not just about stocks only, also other investments. Okay, allow your investment to grow, give it time to mature, so that you can, with the power of compound interest, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits. So the next thing is to always reinvest your dividends. Okay, when you get returns on your investment, reinvest them. This will help your portfolio to keep on expanding. You're feeding it, is growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So some of the rules of investing in the stock market are what I'm going to be telling you now. There are some few rules when you want to invest in the stock market. And one of them is, do not borrow money to invest. Very important rule. Don't collect money from anybody to invest. Don't tell somebody that I can invest for you. Okay? Don't go and put yourself in that kind of implicate. Don't go and implicate yourself. Don't go and tell somebody that, give me money, let me invest for you. Or you don't have the money for investments, so you want to borrow. It is better you invest your own funds. Don't invest other people's money. Invest your own funds, no matter how little. Invest your own money. Okay, and then the next thing is, do not invest money you'll be needing immediately. I already said this before. Make sure when you're investing, you're not investing the entire money you have. Make sure you have budgeted your money, you have money for investment, you have money to take care of every other need, so that when after investing, you will not go and start withdrawing the money again, because it doesn't make sense. The money will not grow. You want to make profits, you want to earn interest. That is why you are investing. So if you invest today, right now, and maybe you have an emergency tomorrow, and then you go and withdraw the money you just invested, you won't grow that way. So investing is something is a money you just put aside. You're not going to be touching it. You're not going to be eyeing your stock every day. Say, I need this money. I want to withdraw it. You get me? Okay. So also, do not invest based on your emotions. We all know what that means. And then don't panic and sell. Let's say the market is going down after you've invested. If you've done your research very well and you know you are buying a good company, you don't need to start bothering yourself and start panicking when the stock is going down. You should relax and know that whatever goes down will surely go back up. Okay, so the stock market is never stable. It goes up and it comes down. It goes up and it comes down, but it is steadily growing. That is one thing you need to understand. The market always recovers. The market will surely react to news, but it will surely recover. I remember when Russia wanted to attack Ukraine. That was in when was that? Was it 2022 or 2023? Yeah, 2022. When they wanted to invade Ukraine, the market became red, because so many of these companies, they also have offices in Ukraine, so they had to shut down, and it halted business for some time. But right now, most of the stocks are all doing well again. So don't you ever panic and sell when you start investing, because it is when you sell that is when you actually lose. All right, so don't also try to time the market. Some people like to, for somebody like me, I teach and preach investing for long term. So I don't see the reason why I will be timing the market to buy a stock when the price is down. I don't care the amount the stock is. I keep on putting money there. I keep on buying that stock. I don't care about the price. I don't wait for it to go up or for it to come down. Whenever I have that money for investing, I put the money there immediately. Okay? So don't bother yourself about trying to time the market. Also, do not ignore market trends. know what the market is saying, know the direction the market is going. You should be able to do your own research and know what to buy and what not to buy. Okay, so we are moving on to the next slide very quickly. Um, so these are some of the apps you can use for investing. One of them is Bamboo. I don't know if we know this app called Bamboo. How many of us know this app called Bamboo? It is very simple app that you can use to invest. It's very easy to use. You can get every international stock there. It is mainly for international stock. For Nigerian stock, you can use Trove, which is the second app here. You can use this one. You can use this for Nigerian stock and international stock also. Also, for those in Ghana, you can use Bamboo. You can use it to buy any stock, any company in this world that is listed in the stock exchange. You can find it on this app. Okay. Also, another one is Rise Vest. Now, where do you get this app? Just type their names on the app store and you download it. Download it, sign up on the platform, and start investing. It is as easy and as simple as ABC. Okay, so okay, how to buy your stock is also on those platforms. It is very easy. There is the option to buy and there's also the option to sell. So what are ETF? ETFs are called exchange traded funds. They are stocks that track performance of some sectors or index in the stock market. Okay, ETFs is like, let me give you an example, like a basket of different fruits. Okay, when you bring a basket now and you put in pawpaw, you put in mango, you put in apple, you put in pineapple, you put in different fruits inside. All together, that one basket is an ETF. So an ETF is like a combination of different stocks, different company combined as one. Okay, so that you can invest in that ETF. When you invest in that ETF, you are now having a stake in each of those companies listed in the ETF. I hope you get me. I hope you are getting my points. Please let me know if you're getting what I'm saying. I'm no longer seeing your comments. I hope you're getting me. I hope you understand what an ETF means. Okay, an ETF is like a combination of different stock all combined as one. Okay, so when you invest in an ETF, you are investing in all the companies. Let's say you put in 10,000 naira now and they are into an ETF, into a particular ETF. And now that ETF, that 10,000 naira will be splitted amongst all the companies that is listed in that ETF. That is simply what an ETF is. So you can also invest in ETFs. Okay, it is a very low risk investment. They very sweet investment. In fact, there are so many ETF that did over 50 to 60% last year. So you can, I'm going to give you some of them though. I'll be sharing some of them with you at the end of this training. So you can also invest in them. Okay, they're also a very good form of investment. Okay, another one we have here is mutual funds. We have mutual funds. A mutual fund is simply a pool of money that is managed by a professional fund manager. Okay, it is a trust that collects money from a number of investors who share a common investment goal. Now, mutual funds can also be found on apps like Bamboo. We have dollar dominated mutual funds, which are available on Bamboo. We have some Nigerian very good mutual fund. Like Stanbic Bank has a mutual fund, very that has they give very great returns. So these are things you can check them out. There are so many other ones. When you check on the Trove app, you can see some of them there. Okay, but if you want me to recommend some to you, don't worry, I will do that at the end of this training. So we have bonds. Bonds are a fixed income investment that are issued by the government on large companies when they want to raise money. So when you buy a bond, you are simply giving a loan to the government with an agreed date for repayment. So this is how most companies or even the government raise money. They issue out bonds. Okay, you can buy them, and then they give you an agreed interest, an agreed money that will be paid, and an agreed date that the money is going to be paid into your account. So it's like you loaning a company money, or it's like you loaning the government money. There are some bonds that are currently available by the Nigerian government. um, I'm going to be sharing some of those offers with those who are going to take my advanced training. There are so many other investment opportunities apart from stocks. So I think that is what we have for now. um so if you have any question, yes, these are the bonuses I said I was going to give to you. Okay, these are two foreign stocks you can invest in 2024. One is Amazon, one is Tesla. Okay, I will still give you another one. You can invest in Google. Google is a very, very good stock. You can also invest in MTN, you can invest in Dangote, and you can invest in Transcorp. So please write them down. You already have the app you can use to invest, and then these are some stock you can just buy right now. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can buy any of this stock. You don't need too much money to get started. You can buy any of this stock and start your investment journey. Okay, so for those who would like to join my advanced training, these are some of the benefits you're going to be getting. If you want to join the advanced training, you want to learn more, you want to belong to a community of other investment, you want to be able to get more credible and low risk investments this 2024. You are tired of leaving your money sitting in the bank doing nothing. No, funny enough, the money you put in the bank, they don't just keep it in a vault. The money goes into the stock market. The money is being invested. The money is being borrowed to get interest. So many things. So why not do what the banks are doing? Invest your money into credible businesses, big companies and corporations. Okay? So if you want to take part of the advanced class, you are going to learn how to invest in foreign real estate and earn great returns. You're also going to be learning 5 ways you can save in dollars and earn extra income. You're going to be getting 10 foreign stocks. Okay, you can invest in this 2024 for massive gains. Also, I'll be teaching you how to invest in commercial papers and so many other investment opportunities that you don't get to see. Okay, you will also get 10 Nigerian stocks to invest in, 3 industries that you must invest your money right now. I can remember when Apple first started. Okay, so many people, they didn't know that Apple was going to be a great product, like a great business to invest in. We were using Android phones, we're enjoying Nokia phones, and right now Apple has the biggest share in the market when it comes to phones. Okay, so it is important that you know the kind of industries to invest in 2024. So that's not all. You are also going to learn, where is it? You're also going to be getting 10 hand-picked Nigerian stocks that you should invest in, and 5 ETFs that you should invest in. You're going to be learning how to analyze a stock before you invest. You're going to learn how to manage your emotions as an investor, and also access to my online stock investment community. So all this costs just 10,000 naira to join. This is my account details on the screen. If you want to take the advanced class, whereby you'll be able to learn how to analyze stocks yourself, also to be getting monthly stock picks, to also get other investments that you can do that are credible, well vetted, that you can invest your money in and have peace of mind, then you need to join us. Also, I'm only going to be taking just 20 people. I'm not taking too many people, okay? I'm just taking 20 people. So if this sounds like what you want, then here is my account details. For those in Ghana, and those in Cameroon. I'm going to be sharing with you account details you can use for payments. Okay, so if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, this is my account details. And don't forget, you're going to get three industries you're going to be investing in 2024. Okay, right now, not you just don't invest in any industry. It is good you know the industries to invest in. That is the kind of businesses that you are supposed to be investing in this 2024. Okay, so it is important you get advanced knowledge. It's not wise for you to just go and start buying any company, buying any stock that you like. They say, oh, I like this company. This company has a very big office. I like them. I want to invest in them. That's not how it works. Okay, you need to be able to analyze the stock. You need to be able to research a stock, and then before investing in that company. So we are going to call it a day. If you want to grab this offer, you have my account details already. I'm just going to put it on the screen again. Yes, I'm going to put it on the screen again. Yes, yes. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. So this is the account details where you can use to make payment. You can, if you can't see it on the screen, I'm going to be dropping it on the group right now so that you can be a part of my investment community where we share different stocks that you can use to getting very great returns. Okay. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Okay. So if you don't know anything about how the stock market works, you have no idea about what stocks to buy, you want to be a part of a community that um, takes investing seriously, that everybody is going to be investing, and you don't have any excuse not to join us and invest, then this is the opportunity that you have been waiting for. So if you have any question that you want to ask me, anything you are not sure about, please, you can just drop it in the comment and I will answer you. Okay, if you have any question, please drop it, I will answer you. So I am waiting for your questions. I am waiting for, if you have any question. Okay, it seems everybody understood what I said here. Nobody has any question. Since we all understand what stocks are, like we all understand what are ETFs. Okay. Okay, the account will be made available on the group now. Um, I'm waiting for your question, so that's why I'm still here. I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, please go ahead and ask them now. Okay, so that we can close. This is 8:45 p.m. already. Go ahead and ask your question. Anything that is confusing to you about stock investment, I'll answer them. Okay. Yes, keep on dropping them. Keep on dropping your questions. So Yes, what app can we use to trade? Okay, the app you can use to buy stock are Bamboo or Trove. You can use the Bamboo app, or you can use Trove, or you can also use Rise Vest. Okay, on Bamboo you can only get international stocks. On Trove you can get Nigerian and foreign stocks. Also, those in Ghana can use Bamboo. Yes. Um, Shares and stocks mean the same thing. When you hear me say shares, I also mean stock. Shares and stock, they all mean the same thing. Say, can I buy MTN stock now as the bonus you gave? Of course, you can buy MTN stock. MTN stock is a very good stock to own. You can buy MTN stock. Please keep on dropping your questions so that I can answer them. I'm trying to put the payment details on the group so that. So I have dropped the information on the group right now. I've dropped the information on the group right now. So you can check on the group and get the information you need. Okay, Candid, you said you just joined. You can still watch the webinar. I'll drop a link to the webinar. You need to have a domiciliary account to buy foreign shares. No, you don't need any of those. You don't need any of those. Okay. All you need is to create your account on the platform, and you can buy any share, any stock or share that you want. Okay. You don't need to have a domiciliary account before you can buy foreign shares. Okay. Once you've created an account on Bamboo, you can buy any share of your stock, any foreign share or stock of your choice. Okay. My question is, how do we calculate? Okay, this is very easy. Once you started investing, you will be seeing all this information on the app. Okay, the return as your share is increasing in value, everything will be there on your app. That is why these apps are very simple. They are very easy and simple to use. Okay, I talk Ungo. Okay, I talk about investing for the long term. If you want to start investing in stock, it is important you have the mindset of doing it for the long term, because that is when you get real value for your investment. It doesn't make sense to invest right now and then withdraw the money the next day. Okay? Okay, Azaya Davis. I have done that. I've put the accounts. Can one make payment first week of May? We only have few people. Okay. No. um joy Joy, you can't choose the stocks in an ETF. Okay, an ETF is already made. Okay, you can't start picking the stocks that you want to invest. You can't start picking individual stock. If you want individual stock, then don't invest in an ETF. If you want an individual stock, then don't invest in an ETF. You can just pick those individual stocks that you want to invest in on the app and invest in them. Okay, if you want to invest in an ETF, invest in an ETF. Okay, you can't pick specific stocks in an ETF. I hope I have answered your questions. Okay, okay. Look on For those in Cameroon, you can start with the TradingView app. And I think it is accepted and used in every country all over the world. Okay, someone has just made payments. Okay, Amaka, I'm going to check. I won't withdraw at any time, or it must be. You can withdraw your money at any time. Oh, you can. It's your money. You can withdraw it at any time. But it is better you allow your money to grow before you start invest. Before you start withdrawing, so that you can really benefit. Okay. Okay, that is why the advanced class is there for you. You want more information, you want full information, you want in-depth information, then get the advanced class and also be a part of a community of other investors. Okay, I hope you're understanding me. All right, so we are going to call it a day. This is almost 9 p.m. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you learned something. I hope you are going to buy your stock. Okay, so we are going to continue on the group. I'm going to be dropping more information on the group. So thank you all so much for joining. Let me go and rest. I'm really, really tired. I hope you all enjoyed the training. Okay, thank you all so much for joining. Thank you for making it a date with me. um if you need any more further information, just send me a message, send me a DM. Want to make any inquiry, just send me a DM. Thank you also so much. God bless you for joining. Bye.